us and Mr. Beast, this is for you. Let's go! This time, it's happening! Mr. Beast!
Mr. Beast!
I love you, Mr. Beast! The first day of our self-imposed challenge to do live stream in straight 30 days. We are dedicating this to one man. The legend, Mommy.
The number one YouTuber in the world.
And my inspiration, no other than Mr. Beast! Thousand, oh,
Mr. Beast 6,000.
oh, Mr. Beast 6,000, oh, Mr. Beast. How's the energy, everyone?
We're good.
Pretty good.
Yay!
Hold on, guys. We need to see the birthday celebrant. Come on, Mommy. Let's go. Mr. Beast, just stay right there, okay? Hold on. Oh my goodness. Oh, don't look at this. All right. All right. Mommy, you know what? This is what I'm talking about. He opened his eyes. Hi, Lucas. Say hi.
He heard
Say hi
my
to the-
voice, that's why.
Say hi to the camera.
Good morning. It's your birthday.
Alright, so before everything else, of course, marching band, let's switch on the patrol lights. Alright, so now,
Dealing with the hassle of multiple cables? Unleash the simplicity.
of course, marching band, let's switch on the patrol lights. Alright, so now, we are standing here. Behind me
Hoy,
is a customized feastable tent.
you're gonna sleep here.
Yeah. Oh my
That's
goodness.
the challenge.
That's gonna be. Oh, we are sorry to them, but for them. Oh my goodness, I'm so bad in English. Oh my God, what's gonna happen in this trip?
That's why we need help, and you will introduce them.
What?
Now.
I need help
Yes.
because I'm bad in English.
No, not just you. We need help.
How we need help? I thought you're trying to.
No. Don't get me wrong. It's
Because-
just that we, also me, we need help because
I can't
we're
even-
not we're not fluent in English.
Oh right.
Okay.
You know what? I can tell everything and introduce you in English.
Oh,
Yeah. You want to try?
Really?
You want me to try?
Go.
I'll try it.
go.
Okay, my fellow Filipinos, right here beside me is my beautiful wife, Carlino Campo. And she helped me do this.
Why do you talk like that? One word by one word.
I'm trying to think. Okay, now I can't introduce you. I need to sharpen my English po winning
Yes.
dollar. Okay, now, before everything else, it's time to introduce the law. We are trying to implement a big law right here in our HQ, and we need someone to implement this law. And now, British soldiers, and we are here to implement the English-speaking only rules. All the violators will be punished according to the rules, which no one is exempted, even us. Our task or mission is to give punishment to all the violators by smashing them to their ass.
Ooh.
Soldiers!
Wow! Oh my God!
Guys, you heard it right. Every time we speak to the
You know what?
Lovey,
Yes.
later, he will kiss you.
Ooh.
later.
And you can say it on the phone.
Oh, mamaya kasi... Oh! Okay, this is what's gonna happen whenever we speak in Tagalog.
You listen to him. You listen to him.
Alright, sir. Sir, please turn around. Okay, sir. Then lean forward. Okay. Be ready for your punishment, sir. Alright, sir.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. Oh, it hurts.
One more.
Sir, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, sir.
Oh! See?
Oh my goodness.
You're the buena mano.
Oh.
Yeah, buena mano.
Oh, Buena Mano is Mexicano.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's just that it's the first time.
Alright. That is the first time. And I don't mean it, man.
You spoke Tagalog.
Yes, I know. And we even practiced this for months.
Actually, guys, it's just 73 pesos.
70 pesos lang?
As a Lazada employee, can you guess these